Hey guys, welcome back to Baking with Becca. I'm going to show you a super easy chocolate cupcake recipe today. For this recipe, we're just going to combine all of the ingredients in a bowl and mix. So it is really easy, beginner, foolproof, you name it. So I've just boiled the kettle, I've got my scales and I've got my large mixing bowl, which is going to be way too big for this recipe, but I don't have anything smaller. So we're going to start with 1 egg, 15 grams of cocoa powder, 40 grams of self-raising flour, 60 grams of caster sugar, and then 60 grams of stalk or baking spread. Literally just going to whiz that together and be right back. And I forgot an ingredient. So we're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of boiling water. Now we're going to mix it. Now we're going to make these even chocolatier and we're going to add in some chopped chocolate. Whichever flavour is up to you. I'm going to go for milk because it's normally the favourite. You can go for white or dark if you prefer. Add in your chocolate. And give it a quick mix. That's all you need. Next up, you want to grab some cupcake cases. And if you have one, a cupcake tray like this, just to make sure that they stay in the correct shape. And that sound is my cat stampeding through the kitchen, but we'll ignore that. 2 spoons, take a spoonful of it, wipe it off into the case. Now you want to make sure that you're filling them to 2/3 full at least. Don't go too much further over that because they'll overflow. And if you go too low, then they're just not going to be as spongy, they're going to be quite dense. So this should make 4, however it does depend on the size of the cupcake cases. But average cupcake cases, you'll get 4 cupcakes out of this. If you just put them in the oven at 180 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes. So here they are, they've just come out the oven, so I've put them on a wire baking rack. You can let them cool or you can eat them straight away, but careful because you will burn your tongue on the chocolate pieces. I really hope that you enjoy these cupcakes if you do make them, and you can also combine these with one of my buttercream recipes and try out chocolate cupcakes with chocolate butter. Thanks for watching, make sure you subscribe, like and comment, let me know what you want me to do next.